What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to zero gap the absolute hitter from Gamma or the Protege. It is the same thing, guys. But if you guys have either of those trimmers, I'm going to show you how to adjust them and get them hitting right. All right, so on the absolute hitter or the Protege, as you guys see here, it's going to operate exactly the same. We have two screws at the top we have to take off, and we can get underneath and adjust the blade. All right, guys, so the blade is adjusted by these two screws that hold it on this white piece. The white piece goes in this groove and allows the blade to move back and forth. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and loosen these two. We just wanna loosen it enough that we can move the blade around. So we don't wanna take it all the way out. You can take it all the way out if you wanna clean this. We just wanna loosen it enough that we can get this blade to move around, and then we can set it. All right, guys, so you can see I have it pushed all the way back. It is totally not zero gapped. You guys can see there's quite a gap here at the top of the trimmer. So we're gonna pop the mirror out and we'll adjust this thing all the way down. All right, guys, so we're gonna take the mirror, we're gonna take the blade, we're gonna push it all the way down. That should put both blades flush. That is what zero gapped means. So both blades are going to the same point. Now I wanna hold it very snug, and I'm gonna snug these two screws back down. Now, as always, guys, we wanna look down it and make sure it doesn't look like the cutting teeth are going past the steel blade so we don't cut anybody. It looks good, so we'll throw it back on the trimmer and test it out. You guys see the trimmer has two prongs right here. That is gonna go in the grooves on this white piece. So we just wanna line that up, hold the blade down. You guys wanna hold it down. There, it snapped, it's in place. Put the screws back in and we're done. All right, guys, so the hitter is zero gapped. I'm gonna test it on myself and make sure it's not too sharp. Feels good. It's okay if you feel a little bit of a scratch. These are sharp, it is zero gapped, but as long as I don't get too much of that white scrape on my skin, and definitely don't want to cut myself. So these are good to go. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment and let me know if there's any other equipment and things like this that you guys want me to show you how to do. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like content like this. I'm always dropping stuff like this. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you next time.